Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to build a relative frequency distribution from a given frequency distribution. So here I have a frequency distribution built from this list of data, number of Facebook friends, and I want to build a relative frequency distribution. Relative frequency means I want to find out what percentage this frequency is relative to the total. So before I build each relative frequency entries, I would need to find a total. To find a total of the frequency, one way is to add them by equal sum, and then put this down, and then press enter. The other way, the quicker way, is to use the auto sum under the home tab. You just click auto sum and sum. The total will be added here, so you move it back here. So once I have the total, I'm ready to do my relative frequency, which relative frequency would be equal to the frequency divided by the total. Okay, now I could just press enter and get the percentage here, but I want to use this formula for other cell also, and every time I do the divide, I want it to use G10, the total. So I do not want this G10 cell reference to change. So for the total, I want to use the absolute reference. And the way to call absolute reference is F4. So after you do G10, before you press enter, you press F4. It will change it to an absolute reference of G10, and then you press enter. Okay, so that would be 0.1. And then you want to use the same formula in all these frequency entries to get the relative frequency. That's how you get it. Now, because relative frequency frequently are displayed in percentage, so you go to the home tab in the number format area, you press percentage, it will change into percentage, and you can change it to back and forth to show more or less percentage. Well, I think that's the best they can show, and that's how I get the relative frequency.